a bird. Look, I'm a bird. So I got a lot of items. No, not that. Yeah. With items. So I got a lot of items right here. So the first item I need is this. I think because when my bird range got on fire, yeah, I almost died. And first, I need a mail. See, I need to give people mail, so yeah. And second, a bomb. Where is the bomb? Yeah, why I need a bomb? I have no clue. But top the bomb. Alright. Now I'm a bird. I'm a bird now. Look at me. I'm a bird. Alright. Now let's do this. Let me find it here. Super high. Oh, I'm a bird. Now let me boom. Let me tap the mail. Where's mail I need to go to? This house? Yeah, let's do the house. And tap the mail at your house. Boom. Boom. I got to tap the mail. Let's go. Okay, you go. I tap the mail at the house. I do this. Fortnite page. Boom. I didn't got like the Fortnite thing. Yeah, Fortnite is there now. Like, but like, nah, I don't know. Like in monkeys. Yeah. I gotta do it to church. Because why we need to do it in church? They need to take their prayers. I do it to Lord. Wait, I tap it at the house first. I do it at the house. And boom! Take a look at. I do it at the house. I tap it at the church. I do it at this house. Boom! Mataka. Okay. Let's do it. Boom! Taka la. I have to feel the dimension. Nah. With the dimension. Wait a minute. Boom. I about to tap the bomb. Wait, there is evil. He evil. You have to tap a bomb on him. Yeah, got tap the bomb. That's before 2 seconds. 1, 2, boom. Oh my god, go. Yeah, I'm a bird. Alright, let me go big. Where my nest at? Oh, my nest right there. Oh, hey. Where my nest is right there. On the high bed. Let me go to bed. Let's go. After one thing I gotta do after I go to bed, I gotta pay Flappy Birds. Alright, let's do this. That bum. I need to be my high core with 10. I did that. Come on, I did that. I do this. Boom. Tikalaka. Boom. Tikalaka. Boom. Tikalaka. Boom. Tikalaka. I did that, bro. I keep dying. Nah. Boom. Happy birds. But how did that? Alright. Blood. I do that stupid thing. I reckon. Need be my hardcore to go. Never mind. I'm not being my. It's gonna take too long. Let me go to bed. Alright, let me go to bed. meeting. Alright, but guys, you guys